Hi everyone. When your computer fails to connect to the internet, one of the troubleshooting steps you need to do is to check the IP address of that computer. Okay? It must have been wrongly assigned. For instance, in this case, we have two VLANs here, two subnets. And the first subnet here is marketing, subnet, that's VLAN. And the second one is management. Now, each of these subnets can contain about 62 valid computers. Okay. Now you check why this computer failed to connect to the internet, and other computers are connecting to the internet. Other computers in this same subnet are accessing the internet, can access with the computers from other departments. But why is it that this failed to? We have made all that troubleshooting, check cables, everything is fine. What happened? It may be wrong IP address assignment that is causing the issue. All you need to do, that is why you need to know subnetting. You open, you can see that this computer that failed to connect has about 63. It has, the IP address 63. That's the last, which is wrong. The 63 here is the broker's address of this marketing VLAN. And broker's addresses are not valid. They are unassignable. You can't assign them to systems. How? How do we see it? Okay, now, in the first subnet here started from 0, and that is why the first valid host is 1. Now, the second one started from 64 because each one can give you 62 valid hosts minus 2 here, okay? Minus broadcast and subnet address, it left with 62. Now, the next one should be, okay? The next one should be 128. 128 because we are in this block size of 64. So the first address here is this, which is the default gateway of this, the first LAN IP address, which is the default gateway of marketing. And the second one in this subnet is 65, which is supposed to be the default gateway of this. Because you can see that, look at it here, is right. The default gateway here is right. Okay. Now, let's forget about the next subnet here. Okay. Because the first here is supposed to be 29. Let's write it. Now, the last here is 62. Okay. And the broker's address is 63 because after broker's address, you get the next subnet. Why the here, the last is 126. 126. That's the last. And the broadcast is 127. Now look at it here. You have assigned, this computer with the broadcast address of, marketing. So there is no way it can connect. It can be wrongly assigned. All these things do come out from exams, okay? So you need to rectify quick and answer the question. You need to do your subnetting, okay? So now what you need to do here is to assign, because the default gateway of this has taken 65. So the next computer here should take 66, not 63. 63 is the broadcast address of this, and the next is 64, which is in this subnet now. If you like this video, do not hesitate to share, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.